Is it safe to run wheel spacers on cars?
When shopping for Toyota Tundra wheel spacers, looking for a quality brand design specifically for your truck, BONOSS manufactures wheel spacer engineered for various Toyota models. Good quality wheel spacer must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wheel spacer is that the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting. Besides, the back of BONOSS forged wheel spacers with active cooling design. The special panel-shaped grooves utilize the rotation of the wheel spacers to allow the external cold air to enter and continuously flow inside the spacers, enhancing the heat dissipation of the braking system. Installing BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers helps improve the heat dissipation of the brake system, reducing brake fade while providing the function of traditional wheel spacers.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.